Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on completing surveys in Pathful. Today, we'll explore the 5 surveys you can take to learn more about yourself and find careers that align with your interests, values, personality, and skills. These surveys are designed to provide insights and guidance tailored to you. Let's dive in. Let's begin with how to access these assessments. If you're a student, you have 2 options. You can either go through My Path and select the Take Assessment tab, or navigate to My Tracker and choose the Assessment Progress menu option. Those with staff and administrator accounts will also navigate to My Tracker and choose Assessment Progress to access the assessments. Pathful offers 5 different assessments, each designed to help you better understand yourself and your career path. Let's go through each one. The Interest Survey, formerly known as the Career Clusters Interest Survey, or the CCIS, is an assessment that includes 102 statements and typically takes between 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Don't worry, there are no right or wrong answers, and you can take this assessment as many times as you would like. If you're looking for a shorter option, consider the Interest-lite Assessment. Previously called the Career Clusters Interest Survey EZ, or the CCIS EZ, this version contains 85 statements. It serves the same purpose as the full interest survey, but in a more condensed format. You'll need about 15 to 30 minutes to complete it as well. Once you've completed the assessment, navigate to the See Results tab. Here, you'll discover how your responses align with various careers. Keep in mind that the view for both the Interest and Interest-lite surveys is the same. The Work Values Assessment, or the ONET Work Importance Locator, helps you understand what matters most to you in a job. This survey takes approximately 20 minutes and consists of 20 questions. You'll rank different aspects of work representing key 6 values: achievement, independence, recognition, relationships, support, and working conditions. Next is the Personality Assessment, previously known as the ONET Interest Profiler. This 60-question survey helps connect your most dominant personality trait to potential careers. It takes between 10 to 30 minutes to complete. The Personality Assessment examines 6 core personality traits that help you better identify careers that are aligned with the following traits: realistic, investigative, social, enterprising, artistic, and conventional. Finally, we have the Skills Assessment, or the ONET Ability Profiler. This is our most comprehensive assessment, designed to match your abilities with potential careers. You must be at least 16 years old to take this assessment accurately. The total time needed is 53 minutes, and it is divided into 6 timed sections. While you can take this assessment multiple times, we recommend waiting at least 6 months between attempts. The results will help you identify both your strengths and areas where additional training might be beneficial. These 5 surveys provide valuable insights into your preferences, strengths, and career possibilities. Take your time with each one, answer thoughtfully, and remember, the goal is to guide you toward a fulfilling career that suits you best. The Help Center is your go-to resource for articles and guides covering a wide range of topics, including how to complete and interpret assessments, tips for navigating Pathful, and guidance on using Pathful's features effectively. Thank you for joining this tutorial. You are now ready to begin your journey with Pathful surveys. Best of luck!